I'm making chocolate dipped strawberries. I wash my strawberries and I let them dry on a paper towel on top of a plate. I chose this brand of chocolates and my sweet chocolate chips. I put chocolate chips in this glass bowl that I'm gonna put on top of this saucepan. It's boiling. So now I'm gonna set it to a lower temperature. I filled the saucepan 1/4 of water, giving it a couple inches of space between the bottom of the water in the pan and the bottom of my glass bowl. I used most of the bag of chocolate chips, and then I left a tablespoon of chocolate chips in a separate bowl that I'll put in at the end to temper the chocolate. I'm gonna stir the chocolate. I'm stirring the chocolate until it's smooth. You gotta stir the chocolate chips constantly. I'm gonna keep stirring till it's smooth consistency. And then I'm gonna remove the glass bowl from the saucepan, and then I'm going to stir in some reserve chocolate chips to temper the chocolate. This is about a tablespoon of chocolate chips that I'm going to pour into this bowl to temper the chocolate, and then I'm going to stir in the chocolate chips until everything is smooth. This makes the chocolate able to be a dipping chocolate for the strawberries. Here are my strawberries. They're washed and dried. Here is my chocolate dip, and here is parchment paper on top of a baking sheet. Try to make sure you choose strawberries that are red all the way up to the stems, and it's helpful if you have a strawberry that has a lot of leaves like this, so when you're dipping, it's easier to dip it in. I like to just drop it in there, swirl it around, and you can also use a spoon to help remove any excess chocolate from the strawberry. Maybe a little bit more chocolate. I like chocolate. Uh-oh, my leaf just broke. There we go. And now we're going to just drop it onto this parchment paper and let it dry. I'll repeat again, pick up the strawberry, dip it in, swirl it around. Pick it up. So this is how the chocolate dipped strawberries turned out. I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. Just make sure your hands aren't wet when you're touching the strawberries, putting it over to a new plate. Can't wait to try them.